Here is how you can see the direction in Google Maps on your iPhone. So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you never miss videos like these in the future. Anyways, what you need to do is to make sure you have the Google Maps installed. So you open it up like this, and let me just come back to this original view right here. And in order to see step-by-step directions from getting to one place to another, here's what you need to do. At first, choose the first space or the first place spot on the map. Let's say it's going to be this right here. And right now you can click on the directions right here, and this is the second step. Now, as the third, you need to choose the starting point, which can be either your current location, you can type in the address, or you might as well just choose it on the map. So I'm going to choose on a map, and right now I'm going to just move this like a place, let's say right here as an example. So I'm going to click on OK. And now I can pick whether I want to get there by car or public transport or walk. In which case, it doesn't matter if you want to get there by car or walk. In order to see the exact directions, you can click on preview right here, and it is going to show you step by step of all of the things which you can do, right? So at first you're going to head northwest on this street and then towards that one. Here you can click on the next step, and the directions are shown to you step by step. So it is very simple to check out. So this is how you can get there. Obviously, all of the information is right here. So this same also applies for walking directions, which is pretty easy as well. I mean, this is the correct one. So you can click on preview right here and again see the directions. However, there is one more setting which you might be interested in, and that is the direction of your actual phone. Because sometimes on a map, you might be standing in the middle of a square or on the street somewhere, and you don't know exactly which side you are pointed at. And this is kind of easy to set up and see on the map. So at first, you need to make sure that the location is turned on. So I'm going to go to the settings and make sure I have the location set to while using the app or always. And it's also important to have the precise location enabled for better services. And now when I open up the Google Maps, I can get inside right here, and you can see that my location is marked by this circle, right? So you can see, I'm going to zoom it in, but not so you can not see the actual address, but you can see we have this circle right here where my location is, but also this area of which the top of the screen is pointing at. So essentially when I move the phone, when I rotate it, you can see that it just moves, right? And I'm just moving around the map, and this is the direction where I'm pointing with my map, right? So this is how it works. The top of the iPhone is actually where the dot is pointing at. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If there is anything else you would like to know, let me know down below in the comments. But for now, that's going to be about it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.